Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Binance phone number. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Binance and log in to your account. Now go to your profile icon. After that, click on Account. Now click on the Security option from here. Here you can see your phone number. After that, click on Manage. Now you can see the Edit button here. Click on it and click on Continue. Now you will get a verification code in your phone number. Enter the 6-digit verification code which is in your phone number. If you do not got the code, click on Send Code button. Enter the 6-digit verification code to confirm. After verifying your new phone number, Binance will update it on your account. You may need to confirm changes through email or two-factor authentication. Ensure the new phone number is now displayed in the security section of your Binance account. You may want to test by logging in and logging out to confirm it. If you no longer have access to your old phone number, you will need to contact Binance support for assistance with upgrading your phone number. If you use two-factor authentication with your phone number, you may also need to reset it after updating your phone number. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.